Remember those big, exciting goals you set for your business? Fast forward a few months. Are you crushing them? Or maybe they're gathering dust. The number one reason isn't lack of skill or passion. It's trying to do everything yourself, so let's fix that now. If we haven't met before, I'm Brandon Hirst, and I set up online systems that help businesses get more customers and increase their profits. Today, we're tackling a huge problem I see all the time. That's feeling stuck because you're drowning in tasks. But you started the year strong, right? Big plans, but then life happens. Roadblocks pop up, and suddenly you have zero time, goals get pushed back, or maybe even forgotten. Does that sound familiar? Well, you're definitely not alone because many business owners feel this way. But here's the thing. The real problem often isn't the roadblock itself. It's a lack of capacity to handle the roadblock because you've already stretched yourself thin. So let's talk about that problem. You know, that core issue that I constantly hear. I don't have enough time. It's because you're wearing too many hats. You're the CEO, the marketer, the salesperson, the customer service rep, the bookkeeper, maybe even the janitor. You just feel responsible for every single thing. The idea of letting someone else handle a task, scary, right? You think no one can do it like I can, or it's faster to just do it myself. But here's the tough truth. That's the thing that keeps you trapped. You pour energy into everything, meaning you can't focus deeply on the things that really grow your business, the things that only you can do. So when that unexpected issue appears, that dreaded roadblock, you have absolutely zero bandwidth left. And that goal you had gets sacrificed. Is this cycle sounding familiar to you? Okay, so you're wearing all the hats in your business. And the thing is, all you have to do is have a mindset shift. Delegating isn't about losing control, it's about gaining focus. Sometimes all you have to do is identify one small, repeatable task that you can hand off to someone else. This could be something like having someone manage an Instagram account. You might be nervous. You might think, what if the posts aren't right? What if they aren't in your own voice? Well, you can fix that easily by giving clear guidelines, example posts, and brand colors. And spend about 2 hours to train them initially. And by doing that, it can free you up a few hours a week. It's not a huge amount, but it's enough headspace to get you back on track with your goal. The thing is, letting go of tasks that could drain you or can be done well by others allows you to focus on your limited time and energy on high impact activities that only you can do, like strategic planning or building key relationships. That's real control. Think about it. What is one task you could hand off this week? Here's a super simple, actionable framework to start. Grab a piece of paper or open a note. Draw 3 columns. Column number 1, list it, love it, and only I can do. These are your core genius tasks, like the strategic stuff. You want to keep these. Column number 2, this is your okay with it or someone else could do it column. These are tasks that you don't mind, but aren't your unique talent. Column number 3, these are things that you dread or suck up all your time. You probably already have an idea of what your first target will be. All you have to do is pick one thing from column 3, the hate it or total drainer list. Maybe it's scheduling social media or basic bookkeeping and data entry, filtering emails, or following up on invoices. Now think, who could potentially do this? Is it an existing employee, a virtual assistant, a family member? Once you have that person in mind, outline simple steps for them. Provide examples. Then, as Elsa says, let it go. Just start small. Prove to yourself that it works. That one small win will build momentum for you. So you remember those dusty goals that we talked about in the beginning? Trying to do everything yourself is often why they stay out of reach. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter by focusing your energy where it counts. And letting go of just one time-draining task can be the key that unlocks progress to those important goals. If you want more practical tips and systems that help you streamline your business, get more customers, and actually reach those big goals, make sure you subscribe to the channel. My goal is to give you simple strategies that you can use right away. And I want to know, what's the number one roadblock you're facing right now in your business? Let me know in the comments below. Just do your future self a favor and don't let being busy stop you from building the business you dreamed of. Take that first small step and delegate today.